What's up, beautiful? Okay. Okay. Today we're gonna be messing with slime. So yeah, see y'all when we spray out.
Can I say something? Can I
No.
say for you? Can I do it with y'all?
No. You're not even doing nothing for you to come down. Just drop it.
Alright, I'm going to put some on the camera.
She finna drop.
Alright. I'm finna drop it.
Hold on, guys.
3. Alright.
Hold on.
Hold on. I have to put it back in.
Hi. Here's my slime.
It's a little bit water. Look, it's a little bit water. Alright, 3. Still moving it. 2. Come over here. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Y'all see how
Oh.
long it is?
Oh.
Oh my gosh, guys. Show them the slime, slime.
I just saw a spider.
Oh, they saw the slime. Alright, let me get all of this. We don't have time to be like it's just drip.
Alright, y'all. I finna get my slime. And we finna do something. Hold on.
Watch out, fucking go out.
We finna get started, okay? Ready, Malia? Where's your slime? Get your slime.
It's not satisfying.
Y'all want to do something? Yeah, trick to there something. Oh, let's play trick to there. It is. Let's do it. Let's do playing trick to there. So, as y'all can see, I have blue slime, which is my favorite color.
Let me fit your slime.
It's probably small, but
And as y'all can see, I have gray slime. It's gray.
it was black at first. But I put lotion in it. Well, you put lotion in it. Well, I put lotion in it. I put lotion in it. That's your slime, but I put lotion in
You put lotion in.
it. Yeah. Alright. Y'all might, it's a little dark in here. I kind of don't like y'all have to upgrade this slime because look. Y'all see it? It just tear. Y'all see? So, I have to actually upgrade this slime. See?
Oh, guys. Dang, it's getting hard already.
For real. So, I have to upgrade this slime. I don't know when, but I
Are you
have
trying to
to,
hit me?
have to upgrade it. So, I actually put cold water. Wait, I put cold water in there and hot water in here.
Can you feel this?
But I have to refill the hot water because it's not hot anymore.
Girl.
God dang. Can I see the scene?
Can I see the slime?
What's wrong?
Not mine.
The blue. What you got in your hand?
She just said that.
I heard her.
Oh, girl. Didn't see you there Alright. So let me see if this cold water will help my slime.
I don't know how to make my slime watery.
Just put water in it.
That don't even make it more watery.
There will. You don't believe me? I did that before.
You know, Sojo glue. I'm just kidding, I still.
How come my choppers in blue?
I'm kidding, I did steal your glue. I'm just kidding, I did steal your glue. I did steal your glue. I'm just kidding, I did steal your glue.
Which one is it?
I did. Hell, that was yours. Alright.
You already how you put water in it?
So, oh, let go, let go, let go.
I didn't let go.
That's cold water. After refill the hot water. Is this hot?
Can I use cold for that?
Bro, it's cold.
It has to be hot.
Yeah. One is for hot, one is for hot water, one is for cold water.
Okay, so when I put this in there?
Yeah, that's cold water.
I know, can I put it in there?
It didn't even drop in there.
That's
It
how
was
much-
on the side, girl. It's just water, it's not contact solution. I put the contact solution in my laundry detergent.
Oh. So what did it do?
No.
Girl, okay.
Look like you need a little help.
No, you made it watery here.
Oh, well.
Oh wait, it's actually coming together more. Kinda.
Yeah, I'm gonna go refill these with hot water. So I'll be back.
Can I watch this man?
You put it in there.
Hot water. Huh? I said hot water. But that's what I'm trying to figure out. What is that purple stuff at the bottom? It's some old slime that I have in. It was some old slime and it's stuck in it. Oh, it's hard. It's hard. Why don't you just add a little bit more? Girl, it did it on the side again. He dropped it this time. I'm scared to put it in there. That's what you could have used. I need here. You better not mess it up. Not the top, just the bottom. This yours? Yes, that's mine. That's the one that I left.
So I got the hot water.
Can I put a little laundry detergent in? Are you sure you got detergent?
I come back with the hot
That
water.
slime did not stick to that. Huh? Can I put a little in there? Oh, that's hot. Emily, can I put a little in here? What happened? Can I use that? Can I use it? Emily,
Huh?
can I use that? I was gonna put a little in there.
Little what?
Let laundry detergent.
Only a little.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is actually helping the hot water.
Now I got some laundry detergent. I have a little slime from here.
That's contact solution with the laundry detergent.
Here. Here. I got some of that. Gonna say you got something else.
It's a lot more stretchier. So as you guys saw, it was like tearing as soon as it like it. But see now, I added added hot water. God.
Y'all, I added a little laundry detergent to it. And still got more water. It didn't get waterier. You just got it together.
So,
Like
like
together.
I don't know if I'm gonna throw this away because it's like getting.
No, I can have it.
Oh, what's that? It's white.
Kind of used it.
Okay, as you see, this is tearing. Oh, I know how to fix tearing water. Tearing slime. So look.
Help me out.
So
That's not tearing, is it?
all right. So I already have the hot water.
Water, see if it's tearing.
Water.
Yeah, it's tearing.
I'm gonna wash out this real quick, y'all. Be back.
I will watch it. We better close the door.
All right. So you take your hot water.
Water.
And you put it in the container. Fill it up as high as you want it. Dang. Y'all all hushed over here. Oh, take a long time.
That's how much hot water you want to give it.
Just fill it all the way to the top.
Girl, this is good enough.
No, it's not.
I know
It's tearing. Look,
like
stretch it. It's tearing.
really scratch it.
Scratch it.
Stretch it. But it do feel good, don't it? Yeah.
Cause,
Okay, we can put it
cause
down
your slime have to stay in there for like 2 to 3 hours. I mean, 20 to 30 minutes. So I filled it up halfway. Yeah, y'all can see it, little. I don't want to waste it. Y'all can see
Yeah,
it's
the laundry
halfway.
detergent was kind of bad because it made my slime kind of watery.